In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a course in Squarespace. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and intuitive to get your course up and running. To begin, navigate to squarespace.com and log into your account. If you haven't chosen a website yet, go ahead and select the one where you'd like to build your course. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the website's main dashboard. Look for the Edit button, click it, and this will take you to the area where you can modify and refine your website's content and structure. Now, you're going to add a new section for your course. On the side panel, click on Add Block. This feature allows you to insert new elements into different parts of your website. You'll see various options that you can incorporate, but you need to choose where exactly on your site this new section will appear. It's all about making sure it feels seamless and is easy to locate for those visiting your site. Next, we're going to use the accordion block. Look for this in the options list. The accordion block is perfect for organizing content like course modules because it allows you to create expandable segments of text without overwhelming your viewer with too much information all at once. Click on the accordion block to add it to your selected section on the site. With that done, find the pencil icon on the newly added accordion block and click on it. This will open up a space where you can start editing the contents of your course. You'll want to dedicate some time to this part. Here, you're able to organize each module of your course, ensuring that content flows logically and information is grouped in a way that's easy to digest for learners. Once you're in the content editor, go to the text field and begin by typing in the title for your course or the specific module you're working on. Remember, the title should be clear and descriptive, capturing what the course or module is about in just a few words. This will help students quickly grasp what they'll learn or explore in each section. After setting your title, click on the description text area. Here, you can provide a brief yet detailed overview of what this module or course includes. Engage your students by highlighting key takeaways or goals they should expect. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, make sure you don't lose your progress by clicking on Save. This ensures all the changes you've made are stored, and that your course is ready to be viewed by your audience. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a structured, informative course to your Squarespace website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and it makes launching your online course that much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.